Hey folks, I'm Gokul Padmanabhan from Restoration Brokers of America. Each week I talk to owners from across the country who have questions of how to prepare and sell their restoration business. And I bring you those questions and some best practices with over 300 transactions in the restoration space. Hey folks, so someone asked me today, what is the best way to make my business more attractive to a buyer? And it's a great question. So here's my power 5 to that question, right? Clean books. If you present really clean books to a buyer, your business will be more attractive. And the opposite is true. So if you have books where you have commingled your personal and your business expenses, and you truly cannot show the true performance of your business to a buyer, it would make it less attractive. So what you're looking for is you want your financial statements to match your bank statements, and you want your bank statements to match your tax returns. If these 3 things match and you can present that to a buyer, your buyer will be very, very interested in your business, right? 2 talking points. We're all entrepreneurs and we're very proud of what we have created. And I know it takes a lot of hard work, but when you're sitting in front of a buyer, you have to separate yourself from your business. Okay, so the buyer's not there to learn about you, they're here to learn about the business. So you always want to stay focused on the business and try your best to remove the I from that conversation, right? Simplify your vision. So however simple your business is, if you explain it in a very complicated, very detailed way, the buyer's not going to have a vision of themselves running the business and they're going to walk away. So when you're explaining your business to a buyer, you want to keep it at a 5th grade level, all right, as a tip, right? Be honest. So this is really interesting. Most serious buyers are not looking for a perfect business. They're looking for a good business. And a good business has a few things they're doing really well, or a lot of things they're doing really well, and a few things that needs improvement. So just be very authentic and very honest about it. All right, so if you're painting a rosy picture about your business at all levels and at all fronts, right, the buyer's gonna smell that these are canned answers, and it makes your business less attractive. So being honest and just talking to a buyer and saying, hey, here's 8 things that we're doing really, really well. Here's 2 things that needs improvement. And they know that you're honest about it. And that will make your business very attractive to a buyer, okay? And the last one is emphasize the team, all right? No buyer wants to buy a business where it's all about you. And then they start thinking about, well, what happens if the owner leaves after I buy the business? It's going to become all about me. And nobody's going to pay you millions and millions of dollars to get a job. Okay? So it has to be about the team. Build a team and talk about all the different skill levels of the team, what they do, what their roles are, and show the buyer that the business can run without you, and they can actually run it with the team you already have in place. Thanks for watching. Click the link below. Check out what we do. I'm happy to connect.